Alright, 2012 Toyota Sienna. Alright, so today's task will be replacing the front rotors and brake pads. Alright, so we're going to jack up the vehicle. Alright, using my air hydraulic jack here. Okay. Alright, so make sure to support it with the jack stand. Okay, make sure to support it with jack stand. Alright, we're ready to remove the tire. Alright, so to get to the rotor, we're gonna have to remove the calipers, because we'll be replacing the brake pads anyway, and then the brackets. Okay. Alright, let's get started. Oh shoot. Hold on. Look at that. That one is damaged. The caliper right here, the rubber boot is damaged. Right there, so we have to replace that too. Okay. That one is really bad. It's got a hole in it right here. It's got a hole. So that one is bad. So we'll have to replace the caliper. Okay. Alright, so you have to replace the even though the pads a little bit thick, but the rotor is already warped, so we have to replace both pads and rotors. Yeah, it's okay. Okay. I think we'll have to probably take the calipers. That way we won't get charged with a core price on it. Alright, so the caliper bracket's off. Now we're ready to remove this, and sometimes this is hard, so we'll have to use our bolt to pull this thing out. Alright, so if you have a tight rotors like this, you know, instead of using a hammer, not this mallet, but the real hammer, so using that, use these bolts instead, because using the hammer is not really a good practice for the wheel hubs. 1,000 miles. Alright, let's get out. So to break this loose, so you have to just keep turning this just like that until voila. Yeah. comes out. Okay. The caliper. We're gonna get a new one, so we're gonna take this to the store, and that way we don't get charged with a core price. So we install the new rotor. Now we put this one lug nut over here to hold the rotor while we're putting in the this bracket for the caliper. Okay. All right, we're ready to put this bracket in. All right, let's put the pads on. All right, the pads is on. Okay, so they didn't give us a hardware. This kind of hardware they didn't give us, so we'll just have to reuse the old one. Okay. All right, so I have to use this vice grip, before I can put this spreader spring wire right here. Okay. So I'll be using this right here to the spreader. Alright, so anyway, this is what I use right here. Okay, that's what I use. Alright, so that completes our rotors and calipers and brake pads being installed.